Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another quick review of one of the watches that I really enjoyed wearing the past week. I received it 1 week ago, and I was hesitant to send it back, but I will explain why I will send it back. I really like it so much, and that's actually one of the reasons I'm sending it back. But we won't get ahead of ourselves. We will start first with the box. So it came, the Seiko Chronograph, Quartz Chronograph came in a paper box, and you have this catalogs. You have the guarantee. You get also like like a normal box, Seiko printed, and you get here your bracelet, Seiko bracelet. As you can see, you have inkling, have inner links, and here you have a hollow link that just mounts at the end. And as you can see here, you can see the reference number SSB295P1, water resistance 100 meters with a hardlex crystal. It has the caliber AT63, which is a quartz chronograph Seiko caliber. Yep. So I'm gonna put this back, put this here, and put this away. Take the watch out, look at it. First of all, let's get the dimensions so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm zeroing my caliber. We have a 42 point, let's say 0.6 in diameter, while the lug to lug distance is 49, I guess. Yeah, 49. Maybe you have to get it from here. Yeah, 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters, while it's a 15.5 millimeters thick. It has, like I said, a quartz Seiko caliber. Inside it has a 100 meters water resistance, and as you can see, 3 subdials. You have the day and night indicator, or day and night indicator. We have the 60 minutes counter, and we have the running seconds, and the central seconds is the chronograph. So I'll just open the chronographs, let it run, so you can watch the ticking of the seconds. Actually, if you leave it like this, it will look like an automatic Seiko movement just from the ticking of the seconds. What attracted me to this watch is the dial. It has a really nice dial. Really, like, it's 140 euros. This watch, this dial, definitely, if it's on an automatic watch, and Seiko will definitely sell it for around 800 euros at least. So 20 times. Definitely, that's a good value for money, this watch. 140 euros for a chronograph with 100 meters water resistance, even if it's quartz with Seiko. Because Seiko is now a brand name with so many micro brands and so many brands trying to elevate themselves. Seiko is one of these brands that elevated themselves in the past 5 years. We don't have any lume on the watch. That's one of the things that I didn't like. So lume is not there, but it's a dress watch. But as like I said, a 42 millimeters dress watch for someone with my wrist, like this is a 38.5 or 39 millimeter chronograph, and that's for me the perfect size for my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. So I'll take this chronograph out and I wear this one. By the way, on the NATO, it wears like a dream. I have to say, I've been wearing it every day since the past week, and every time I wanted to take it off to send the watch back, I was like thinking about it again. What are the negatives? What are the positives? Why should I keep the watch? Why shouldn't I keep the watch? And I wanted to keep the watch, but the issue is if I keep the watch, I would be wearing it more than the other watches because it's so comfortable. You don't have to set it up. It looks really nice. You can put it on a brown leather strap and it's directly elevated to a dress watch. You can go to the beach with it. You can swim with it. It's 100 meters water resistance. So definitely a really good watch, an all-rounded watch. As you can see the dial. So definitely, that's actually the reason I'm sending it back, because if I kept the watch, I would be wearing it more than my other watches that, and I'm trying to reduce actually my watch collection, and I ended up buying this Casio trekking watch for my next vacation, and it was only 52 euros, something like that. So I was like, okay, you already bought a watch, a quartz watch. Maybe after doing the state of the watch review, state of watch collection that I had in November, I was trying to sell more watches actually, to instead of adding. So that's why I think I'll try until the end of 2021 to only sell watches. I already bought one in November and one in October, but now I'll try only to sell watches. So if you're an avid subscriber and you like one of my watches, be sure to write me up an email, hit me up in the comment section in any of my videos, and I'll be sure to write you back. I try to answer all the comments, even the ones that are criticizing, because I'm learning, and this is a process for me. So definitely, all your suggestions are welcomed. And if you have any kind of suggestions for new videos, new topics, collaborations, please do hit me up as well. I'm open for all of these. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you in taking the decision in buying or not buying the watch. And yeah, hopefully see you in the next one. And if you like this kind of content, it's an invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye bye.